Hello, my name is Carlos Alberto Sanchez Valencia. I belong to the collaborative group number 55 10 11 21. I'm 36 years old. I'm from Pereira, but now I live in Viterbo, Caldas. It's a small town close to Pereira. It's a hot and really small town with wonderful views. There are many green mountains, farms, and what I love from here is jogging and enjoy the peace and quiet of here. I'm going to talk about my physical descriptions. Let's start now. My height is around 1076 centimeters, and my weight is around 66 kilos. I have brown eyes. I'm really getting bald, but the most important for me is I have a long beard. I have a fair skin, and I some lunars on my body. Now I'm recovering my healthy life because I was really too sick the last year. Almost I died. Now I can talk about my daily routines. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. every day, a little early because of I must do many things during the day. Then I get up and go to the bathroom to brush my teeth. After that, I take the pill every morning before I have the breakfast. It's helped me to keep healthy. I must take it for all my life. Then I often hear the daily gospel. I like talking with God and thank Him for my life. Later I have breakfast. Then I get into the shower and get off of the shower. I put on my clothes and start to study in my house. Actually, I'm teaching English in my house. So I really like teaching and help to the enjoy from our country to loving the education. I study until 12 p.m. every day. Then I have lunch with my parents and take a little rest until 2 o'clock. After that, I start to teach English until 6 p.m. I end the English classes and go to the gym. I do exercise 3 times a week, and I do exercise during 2 hours. After I get out to the gym, I go to my house to have dinner with my parents again. I study again until 11 p.m. and get ready to go to the bed. So, normally on weekends I teach in my house. Normally on weekdays I teach and study and prepare English classes for my students. Every day I sometimes go to the gym, maybe 3 times a week. On Wednesday, I go to the church to a mouse group. This is a blessed group which was created for God. We meet in night Wednesdays every week. On weekends, I seldom wake up late because of I like getting up too early to jog until Asia. This is a small beautiful place close to my house. I can smell their fresh and pure air. When I get to my house, I take a rest until midday. I have lunch with my family, and I always meet with my girlfriend on Sundays until night. I was used to swimming on Sundays in the pool. By now, I can't do it really because of the doctor forbade me. It could be dangerous for my life. Now I'm getting used to doing exercise every day, maybe now only 3 times a week. In this moment, I prefer staying home and teaching English and staying in contact with my girlfriend. I really love her. We really would like get married the next year. Finally, about me, the kind of music I prefer here is the music rock and maybe reggae music. I really don't like hearing vallenato and salsa. My favorite food is the pasta, bean, healthy habits. For example, the vegetable salad is great for my health. So this is all about my life. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye bye.